It's another day. So, what we got going on today is we need to extend our basic sunshade further out. Anna's got new plants in the ground here, lettuce and beets, and we want to give them some protection from direct sunlight. Looks like we have something that's really hungry. But so that's the plan. We're going to go over here, cut some bamboo down, strip off all the the branches and stuff, and build another trellis-like sunshade here in the middle. All right, let's start cutting. I gave you both to bring them both so we could both. No, go. You got it. Only one. You do it.
No, you can't do it. I'm going to go get that other one.
No, I can go get it. I handed you both, so we had two things to work with.
Lazy gringo.
Lazy gringo. Who slept yesterday because they drank too much?
I don't know. I have no idea.
Yeah, you just don't remember. Hey, you're not cutting from.
Uh-oh. Why you coming and found out?
She doesn't know what she's doing. It just fell down all by itself. Exactamente. So we just need to take off these branches so that they don't get in our way. These here are actually good to provide small plants support.
Something like this.
Yeah.
A lot of formiga. I hope they don't make a house here to eat my plants. Look at them.
Let's see. Well, when we tie it in, it'll be stronger. Set up and hold it. Okay. Your arm's getting tired.
That what?
Your arm's getting tired?
No. I'm happy my plants didn't die.
Yeah.
They're mad because they might walk on top of my carrot.
Yeah, carrots. Oh. Yeah, it's not like Ariel's feet. And her
No.
weight, she sinks in. All right, let's pull this right up in a minute. Okay. Just stay there, Shorty. So we do wire on these? Is that what we did? Okay.
Here?
Sure. Good job. Okay, we got it all up finally. No reason to show, post after post, right? Because it's just repetitive. But anyways, so we decided to add one more post on here. And so, pretty good shade. It's a good enough shade that it takes away enough sun that it doesn't burn the lettuce and make them wilt. And we know that because look at that lettuce. Look at how beautiful this is. And the broccoli and cabbage is growing really well. The zucchini's growing well. The beets are growing well. We got carrots. Corn over there is doing well. Look at all the tomatoes.
I'm gonna show the moringa.
Where's the moringa?
Other side of the painting.
Oh, over there?
No, amor. There.
Oh, yeah, right there.
So?
Yeah, and there's one big moringa right there. Yeah, doing good.
And we already have some red tomatoes. So take this one. It's so sweet. It's like a cherry tomato, but they grow a lot.
Look at that. And our strawberries are doing really good. Those are pickles. And the strawberry.
Grow a lot.
We got strawberries, all kinds of flowers. And potatoes are doing really well over there. So everything's doing good.